Hello and welcome to you to choose the program under Sikkim Manipal University. Okay, before coming to the program introduction, I want to explain myself and I want to introduce myself. I Arindam as a senior lecturer, Sikkim Manipal University, and before completing master degree program, I had some work experience in the different colleges, and then I completed MCA and MTech in computer science and application. And during this time I made a lot of different projects. Some projects are real life, some projects are completed in the different sites. Over 50 projects I did. So during this time I had some work experience under different university pupils as an examiner. I did that examiner as a consultant also in the data queue in West Bengal. Right now I'm doing the research work under the e-learning environment. Okay, now I'm coming to the subject introduction. Okay, this is the data structure using C. Before coming to the data structure, I always expect that you have some idea on the C language programming. If you have the C language programming, then the interaction, how you can write the program, all these things are very silly in the data structure. Data structure main is a concept of the management of the memory, concept the management of the architecture, concept of the memory of the algorithm. This is the basic thing we are introducing in the data structure. So when we are coming to the data structure, first we have to know the basic three things. One is array, one is pointer, and one is the function. I'm sure that you are knowing about all these things, how to introduce algorithm, how to introduce these algorithm implementing through the function, how you can use the array, how you can use the pointer. The main concept of the data structure is the managing of the memory. You know, we have a lot of different type of operations, lot of different type of data. So these data we have to store in the memory for some time being when we are using the program. After completion of the program, we are replacing the data, we are putting the another data. So for managing the computer program or computer memory, we need to the data structure subject. So we have several tools like linked list, like queue, like stack, like different types of sorting techniques, different type of searching techniques, different type of algorithms. Okay, now we are coming to the very important thing, what is called the abstract. What is the abstract data type? It is a very crucial thing when you are coming to the data structure class. So abstract data type is some data type which is not available in the common or standard way. Suppose you want to store a billion of data. So you can't store in a single variable or you can't store in an array. So we need some new data structure, we need some new formations so that we can store the data. So that type of things we call abstract data type. So that type of data type, how we can make it, we can come into the subject, then we can get. Now we are coming to the stack. Stack is a simple or array type where we can store the data and we can remove the data. So storing and remove, we have some algorithm that is last in first out. This is the algorithm we are maintaining in the stack. And the queue is there. So queue is a one kind of array like where we can store data, we can remove the data, but it should be a first in first out manner. One side it will enter and another side it will remove. We have different type of queues also, like priority queue, then circular queue, all these things you can read in our SLM. Okay, now we are coming to our different mode of structures which is available, that is called sorting and searching technique. Searching technique where we can search the data from the memory. So for searching we have basically two different type of methods. One is binary search, another is a sequential search. In the sequential search, the data can be searched in a sequential manner. This is a very simple searching methodologies, we can use it. And the binary search methodologies, we can search in a binary manner. It will be much faster than the sequential search. But there are some restrictions, some constraints in the sequence search also. There is some restrictions and constraints in the binary search also. Okay, now I am coming to the sorting techniques. Actually, sorting techniques means we have to sort the data in some arranged order. It may be ascending order or it may be descending order. There are so many sorting techniques, so many sorting algorithms are available. They have different time complexities, and we have to make that sure which sorting techniques is applicable in a particular requirements. That is the important thing. Bubble sort, selection sort, quick sort, heap sort, march sort, radix sort, tournament sort, so many sorts are there. So we have to know all the sorting techniques, their algorithms, their BIGO notations and their applications. It is all the things are very important. And inside this we have to maintain the system structure. When you are going to this maintaining the system structure, we have to maintain the different type of sorting mechanisms along with the system structure. This is the small introduction of the data structure. You can follow the different type of books also available, and our learning material or study material is also helpful, very helpful for learning the data structure. For any further assistance, any further query, you directly mail me arindam.ray@manipal.u.com. Thank you.